The powerhouse amino acid. What is L-Arginine? L-Arginine is a powerful amino acid. Amino acids are the building blocks of protein. It helps produce nitric oxide, relaxing blood vessels for healthy blood flow. Found in foods like red meat, poultry, fish, dairy, and nuts. Let's explore the many ways L-Arginine can contribute to a healthier you. L-Arginine, a boon for your health. L-Arginine offers a wide array of health benefits, primarily from its role in nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide relaxes blood vessels, improving blood flow and lowering blood pressure. Improved blood flow helps deliver oxygen and nutrients throughout your body and aids in removing waste products efficiently. Beyond cardiovascular benefits, L-Arginine supports immune function by promoting the production of white blood cells, essential for fighting off infections. It also plays a role in wound healing by promoting collagen synthesis. Furthermore, L-Arginine can enhance athletic performance by increasing blood flow to muscles, leading to improved endurance and faster recovery times. This increased blood flow delivers more oxygen and nutrients, essential for muscle function and recovery. This can lead to improved endurance, reduced muscle soreness, and faster recovery times. A healthy heart's best friend, L-Arginine and cardiovascular health. L-Arginine is a powerful ally for maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. It enhances nitric oxide production, benefiting heart health. Nitric oxide relaxes and widens blood vessels, improving blood flow. This reduces the heart's workload by lowering blood pressure. Always consult your healthcare provider before changing your diet or supplements. Immunity boost. L-Arginine and immune function. A robust immune system is your body's first line of defense against infections and diseases. L-Arginine plays a crucial role in supporting immune function by promoting the production of white blood cells, the body's immune cells responsible for fighting off invaders. L-Arginine also supports the thymus, where T cells, a type of white blood cell, mature. These T cells are essential for recognizing and destroying specific threats to the body. By supporting the thymus, L-Arginine helps ensure a healthy and responsive immune response. L-Arginine's role in wound healing also contributes to immune function by enhancing collagen synthesis and improving blood flow to injured areas. By supporting the production of white blood cells, the thymus, and wound healing, L-Arginine helps strengthen the body's natural defenses. Unleashing your athletic potential, L-Arginine and performance. For athletes and fitness enthusiasts, L-Arginine offers several potential benefits for enhancing athletic performance. Its ability to increase nitric oxide production plays a key role in improving blood flow, which is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to working muscles. This increased blood flow can lead to improved endurance during exercise. L-Arginine helps ensure that muscles receive these vital components, allowing them to work harder for longer periods. Moreover, L-Arginine can reduce muscle soreness and fatigue by helping remove lactic acid from muscles. By improving blood flow, reducing muscle soreness, and enhancing recovery, L-Arginine can be a valuable tool for athletes looking to optimize their performance. Achieve your fitness goals with the help of L-Arginine. Fueling up on L-Arginine, food sources and supplements. You can boost your L-Arginine intake through both diet and supplementation. Many delicious and nutritious foods are naturally rich in this powerful amino acid. Some of the best food sources of L-Arginine include red meat, poultry, fish, dairy products, and nuts. In addition to dietary sources, L-Arginine is also available in supplement form, typically as capsules, tablets, or powders. While supplements can be a convenient way to increase your L-Arginine intake, it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider before adding any new supplements to your routine. They can help determine the appropriate dosage for you and assess any potential risks or interactions. Enjoy the benefits of L-Arginine through a balanced diet or supplements. L-Arginine. Safety, side effects, and considerations. L-Arginine is generally safe in moderate amounts. High doses can cause mild side effects like nausea and abdominal pain. It can lower blood pressure, affecting those on medication. Consult your healthcare provider before taking L-Arginine supplements.